What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here which has been pumping quite a bit in the last 24 hours. API3 guys, which has pumped up 20% in the last 24 hours, making it $2.10. So what I'm going to be going through in today's video is looking at its next potential target. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to drop down in value? So on and so on, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and going through what I would do if I was looking to get into this crypto right now, and also obviously giving you guys my prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and over in 2022, looking at how high and how low this crypto can go, and is it a crypto worth investing into. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So according to Coinbase, as you can see, it is the second top gainer in the last 24 hours, and in the last hour itself, it managed to gain just over 1.5%. Over the last day, 20%, over the week, 27%, and over the month, an overall 40%. So it's been performing quite well, and as you can see, since about the 13th of June, which was just about 3.5 weeks ago, it's been going up in value quite consistently. But we can see earlier, very early this morning, it did reach $2.44, and then straight away dropped down to about 1.95, and right now, slowly and steadily starting to gain value. So going into the CoinMarketCap website, we can see here that the trading volume has gone up by a massive nearly 700% in the last 24 hours, making it $86 million in trading volume, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on API3. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's one of the top gainers. So it's getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, and as you can clearly see, we've got 57% buy against 43% sell. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you can see, we've got it's color coded, so we'll be looking at when it's likely to hit the green zone. Will it ever hit the green zone this year, in the next couple of weeks, so on and so on. But before I do that, let me just hide this, and I'm going to bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we have also got the purple line at the top here running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of API3, which is at the moment $1.66. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at $2.09, meaning it is performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking slightly bullish, going in a positive direction. Again, the lines are they're not even steep, so we can't really see. They are just about slanting towards the positive direction. So yes, do expect increases in value over the coming hours, but it's not going to be anything major. It is going to be a minimal increase in value over the next, let's say, 12 to 14 hours. So very late today, early tomorrow, we should expect an overall increase in value, slightly higher than what it's worth at the moment. But as usual, dips are always part of the process. Whenever you see a huge peak here, it has to come back down, it has to take a little breather, and that is exactly what has happened earlier this morning. And as you can see, even in the last few hours, it's been peaking and dipping, but the overall outcome has been slowly starting to be moving in a positive direction, and the same cycle is likely to carry on over the next couple of hours, meaning it is going to slowly and steadily increase in value. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again we've got a similar pattern here. The blue line and the orange line are still looking bullish, going in a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are expected over the coming days. So towards the end of this week, we should expect an overall increase in value, going above $2.15 to 20 cents. And again, that does not mean we're going to be consistently hitting green days every single day for the next 7 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up. But at the moment, all that matters is the overall outcome towards the end of the week, and at this point it seems to be more on the positive side, so do expect very minimal increases in value over the coming days. Now moving on to the big boy daily chart, now we're looking much more clear. We've got the blue line and the orange line looking quite steep, going in a positive direction, and it's been going that way since about the last, let's say, 2.5 weeks. As you can see, consistently going up in value. and it's likely to carry on over the coming weeks as well. So let's say mid-August to late August, we should expect an overall increase in value on API3, and hopefully we should be way above the $3 mark by that time. But again, it all depends on how the crypto market performs. If there are any major crashes, hopefully there isn't, but you never know. This year has not been too great. There's been so many crashes, so many drops, so on and so on. Hopefully the second half of the year we should be able to take a U-turn and potentially move towards a positive direction. But again, you can't predict this thing. So yeah, if Bitcoin does manage to drop down to 10-15k, then yes, we are going to see major drops. However, if it decides to pump up to about 35-40k, then we are going to see major increases in value on not just Bitcoin, not just API3, but most of the cryptos out there as well. So that is why I've put together a Telegram group chat which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the clicking on the link in the description box down below. It is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before it jumps back up to $29.99. So what does this include? So you're going to get put into two group chats, guys. One is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The other one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is where I'll give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin every single day on what to expect. What is it moving in a positive or negative direction? What price target is likely to hit? So on and so on. And more or less most cryptos do follow a similar pattern, and obviously give you guys predictions on different cryptocurrencies that you guys request for in the group chat. Again, any questions, any queries you guys may have before you sign up, simply send me a DM on Instagram and I'll try and get back to you as soon as possible. But if you're ready to sign up, then yes, the link is again in the description box down below. And back to API3 we go. So as you can see, we are trading in the red zone at the moment, which is not looking too great. The lowest we've been to was $1.03, and this was back last month, so about a month ago. And ever since then, we've been slowly and steadily increasing in value. Again, as usual, there are red candles in between, which is always as part of the process. And for us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to hit $3.22, and right now we are trading at $2.11. And again, we don't have that long to go. Not even 100% increase is needed for us to hit the green zone, and I'm hoping we should be able to hit the green zone by mid to late August or very early September. We should be able to head into the green zone. But again, if you guys want regular updates on API3, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto, guys. Comment down below how high do you guys think API can hit in 2022, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. So comment down below and I'll be reacting to your comments in my next API3 update. Then on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially the subscribers out there, guys, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I'm going to end the video here, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.